Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connections. This matters because Safe Mode reacts differently when the system is unstable. Once done, completely power off the PS5 by holding the power button for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Make sure to wait 30 seconds, then plug a wired USB keyboard into a front USB port so you can navigate menus without a controller. If the console was unresponsive, perform a quick outlet reset. This resets temporary power glitches and readies the system for the next steps. You boot into Safe Mode by holding the power button until you hear the second beep. That confirms Safe Mode active. Next, use the wired keyboard. Arrow keys move the selection, Enter confirms, and ESC backs out, because Safe Mode accepts basic HID input. Once inside, choose Restart PS5 first to test if the state clears. If video or input issues persist, pick Change Video Output to force a lower resolution. This often restores controller recognition and allows normal booting without reinstalling system software. You should now try Rebuild Database to repair file system issues. This can take several minutes, but it often resolves Safe Mode loops while preserving user data. If rebuilding fails, the final step is Reset PS5 or reinstalling the system software from a USB drive. Do this only if you have backups, since reset may erase data. Troubleshoot by testing another wired controller or keyboard, swapping USB ports and cables, and confirming the USB device is recognized in another computer. These checks expose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.